In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlink apps from GCash. If you've connected GCash to a shopping or service app and want to remove it, the process is done inside that specific app. I'll walk you through it using Lazada as the example, but the flow is similar in many apps. Start by opening the app you want to unlink from GCash. For this walkthrough, open Lazada on your phone and make sure you're signed into the correct account. From the home screen, look to the bottom menu and tap Account. This takes you to your profile and settings area where payment methods are managed. Inside the Account section, find and tap Wallet under the Lazfin area. Depending on your version of the app, this might simply be labeled Wallet or appear under a Finance or Payment section, but it leads to the same place where your stored payment methods live. Once you're in Wallet, look for Payment Options and tap it. This is where the app lists the cards, e-wallets, and other methods you've set up for checkout. In the Payment Options list, locate GCash and tap it to open its details. You should see a small 3 dots menu, often in the top right corner of that section. Tap the 3 dots to reveal more actions, then select Delete Payment option. Confirm when prompted. That's it. GCash is now unlinked from Lazada on your device and won't appear at checkout for this app. A couple of helpful notes as you do this. Removing GCash here only affects this one app. It doesn't close or change your GCash account, and it won't remove GCash from other apps you may have connected. If you need it gone elsewhere, repeat these same steps in each app's payment settings. Also, if the delete option is missing or grayed out, make sure the app is updated to the latest version. Sometimes you may need to clear any pending orders, unpaid balances, or active subscriptions tied to that payment method before the app allows removal. After unlinking, double-check your checkout settings if you plan to place an order soon. Add an alternate payment method ahead of time so you don't run into delays during payment. If you ever change your mind, you can re-add GCash by returning to Payment Options and choosing to add a new e-wallet, then following the prompts inside the app. To recap, open the app, go to Account, tap Wallet in Lazfin, open Payment Options, select GCash, tap the 3 dots, and choose Delete Payment option. Follow these steps in any app where you want to unlink GCash, and you'll stay in control of where your wallet is used.